What's going on, everybody? Good chilly morning to you from the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Angela's driving the van. We're going on a little day trip today because the RV is still not ready for pickup. I had thought that we were going to have it by now for sure, and some people are asking, Eric, why are you putting this off so long? No, we're live. So today is Tuesday the 6th, and I don't think we're gonna get the RV tomorrow. Well, hopefully we get it tomorrow. I mean, they're fixing little things, and this is really important. I like a dealership that is looking at all the little fixes to do now so that we don't have to do it later and we can just move in. But for today, we're going to go check in on licensing up near Fort Worth. And I got some packages to pick up. Got some stuff on the way, so maybe I can show you some of that stuff later. And we're going to grab lunch at, what's it called?
Bucky's.
Bucky's. I guess that's a Texas thing. Okay. We'll see where we go from here. Oh, and I forgot to mention for the record-breaking cold temperatures here in March in Dallas-Fort Worth. It's been on the news, and so 2 nights in a row, I think we tied it, the coldest ever night for this day. And yesterday's high of 32, that didn't even go above freezing, that was the lowest high ever recorded for that day in Dallas-Fort Worth. So it just happens to be the coldest time, coldest days, and here we are boondocking, waiting for the new RV. Kind of ironic. Both of our heaters are again giving us some problems. Angela's to keep her and Dressy's van warm overnight. It's been going out. We cleaned that up. My buddy heater has now stopped working unless the hose is completely straight. If there's any kind of bend to that hose, it just shuts off. It's just not enough flow. So struggling to keep warm once again, but this is going to change. I think by Thursday they said, what, 70?
Yeah.
70 degrees coming up. So no more of this teens and low 20s. Whew. A little chilly, but here we are at Bucky's. And although you probably can't tell it, this place is huge. Gas all the way through here. If we go over there, there's a whole other side that is full of gas pumps and all this parking. Yeah. They go big in Texas, apparently. $2.14 a gallon here for gas in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And I got a text message from the dealership. They're putting the new windshield in, a huge, big windshield. It's a Class A. Hint, hint. That's about the only hint I want to give. But yeah, they're working on that today. Just want to make sure it gets a good seal because it is really cold out there. We'll see. Let's go inside here in a minute and we'll see what kind of grub they got. It's like a grocery store, everything. Okay. There's a lot of stuff in here. Food, souvenirs. I smell popcorn. Maybe I can get a magnet too. That's crazy. Are those magnets? Yeah. $2. Huh. 79 cents for the large. Root beer. What do I want? Maybe fruit punch? Nope, going with staple. Boring. All kinds of souvenirs if you happen to need anything. Don't mess with Texas. That's a lot to take in. That's one happy cow, too. Look, they're little mini Buckies and big Bucky. Wow. All right, here starts the food. See a bunch of healthy stuff. You can order digitally on the machines here, and they'll make your sandwich right over there fresh. Leaning towards a hot dog there. Ooh, the Texan hot dog. Check out their sides. Beaver tots! They got beaver tots! Ooh, cheesy baby. Oh my gosh. Okay. There we go. What'd you find? What'd you find?
Cinnamon roll.
Ooh, that looks good. That looks like... Then you can park in their massive parking lot here. Got my dog. Ooh. The old Plain Jane. Just gonna add some ketchup. And cheesy tater tots. Oh, I did get a Bucky's magnet to add to the collection too. How you doing? Missed you. We're back with stuff. I finally got my telescoping ladder, the one I first saw. Campervan Kevin had one of these a couple years ago. Finally got my own so that I can reach everything, you know, and a shop vac. I am I am late moving out of Yoda, but, and that's kind of the frustrating thing, but also I'm totally okay. I mean, this is 100% out of my control. You know, you don't want to rush anything. Everything's got to get done. So, I don't know how many more days it's going to be delayed. I don't even know if I'll get it by this Friday. And like I said, we're live within a day. I'm trying to get this uploaded tomorrow, Wednesday morning, but I got to edit and upload overnight. A little slow here in this area for service, for Wi-Fi and stuff, but, you know, again, I'm just playing that waiting game. So I do apologize. I'm not keeping anything from you guys. Obviously I want to wait till I physically have the RV to show you. People keep asking me, show it to us. I don't have it. I don't even have a picture of it or with me of it yet. So, you know, thanks for being patient, guys. And Jax and I and Angela and Drezzy will get back with you. I'm pretty sure my next video, no matter what, will be with the new RV, even if that means I have to take some time off and just continue to wait. But Yoda is sold. Got to get her cleaned up, and my buyer is ready for Yoda. So I'm like, it's not my fault. Anyway, guys, have a great night. We will all see you very soon. Okay, bye-bye.